If you want to use Gemini as like Siri on your Android phone, I show you how you need to do. First open Play Store and just type Google, search, and you need to install this app, Google app. So I just open the Google app and click here, the profile, and select the Gmail account. If you have multiple accounts, then settings, and here you can see Google Assistant. You need to click this. So voice match. Now turn on this option, Hey Google. So here is the thing, just click turn on, more, agree, and just say this word. Okay Google, help me write a thank you note. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Hey Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Hey Google, get a timer for 5 minutes. So it's done. So it's similar to Siri. Done. For now I just click not now. If you want, you can record the audio. Okay, now it's turned on. You can add the languages if you want. I mean, you can ask the Gemini in multiple languages if you wish. So just type the language. I just type my mother tongue and add. So you need to do the steps again in that language and back. And if you scroll down a bit, and you need to open this option, Digital Assistant from Google, and make sure it's selected to Gemini. Now it's done. Okay Google, set an alarm for 10 minutes.
I've set an alarm for 10 minutes from now.
Yeah.
It will go off at 1:34 p.m.
This is how we need to do. That's it. If you want to know more videos about Google Gemini, you need to watch this playlist.